F, guys. It's raining so hard right now. It's not a good time. Yesterday was literally... Was it clear skies yesterday or no? It was kind of what's the word? What's the word? Like where
cloudy, gloomy.
Yeah, it was gloomy, cloudy, and now it's literally sadness. Today I had to wake up pretty early because I had to go to where did I go, Alex?
Where?
I had to go get shots for school, and then so I had to get 3 shots. I had to wait for like maybe an hour, and then I got my shots, and I had to go to the spinal rehab because for my accident like a few months ago. And I'm still going, and yeah, I went home, picked up Angel, and we are now hanging out with Alex and Jody. And we are starving. We haven't eaten yet, and right now it's almost 2 o'clock. It's okay, we're gonna find some food, but before we go, we're gonna go to Wally World, Walmart.
That's my papaya salad grater.
Ew! Did you see what Maddie said in the group chat, man?
No.
She said we had a patient who went septic because she left a tampon in for 3 weeks.
Oh my god.
When that thing got pulled out, you would have thought that there was 100 dead bodies in there.
Oh my god.
The whole floor smelled so bad for days. Ew, that's disgusting. Did she forget? I don't fucking know.
Yeah.
How do you forget to take something out?
Some people forget, and then
No,
like,
dude.
and it gets
for
deeper.
3 weeks.
It gets deeper?
Like they forgot they took it out, and they put a new one, and it shows the other one deeper in.
No, what if?
And
No, that's funny.
It gets stuck there.
That's happened to me before.
Damn. So they've been changing it, but one stayed in there.
Yeah, and then maybe they're already done,
and it like
and
kept
then
going in like
it's just in there,
and then
forever.
Like, just didn't even know. That's so gross.
That's gross. What are you doing here, Alex? I thought you were dieting. Yeah, fresh cut though. This isn't a good snack place.
Or these fudge covered Oreos. Oh my
Where's
god.
Angel?
What are we doing here? Is that a sample? No sample. Let's go. I don't like this place.
I like it.
No. You know what increases inflammation of your skin? Sugar. That's why whenever I eat like ice cream and stuff like that, or anything like candy and just sugary stuff in general, I break out. It is what it is. What are we doing here? Where are we? This is the oatmeal section. Oh guys, this is the brand that I use for chicken katsu. This one. Look at the price, not bad. If you want chicken katsu, use this one. Panko breadcrumbs. Yes. Cereal aisle. Cereal aisle. Stop. This is the best Pop-Tart.
Oh, this one's the best right here.
This one. No, this one. I always get this in like high school. When I took ROTC my first 2 years of high school, this one was the one that I would go to. It was like $1 each.
How many grams of fiber?
Big oof, but oh man, it's so good. I'm so hungry.
Okay.
What are you eating?
Pop-Tarts.
No. Sample. And it's crazy what kind of cereals they're releasing now. Look, they got... No.
Oreos.
This one was really good, right here.
No, this one's really good.
This one.
This one.
This one. So good.
Why are you...
Look at these ones too.
This one's really good. Oh
Walmart always has a wide variety of cereals.
my god.
So good. Dude, I don't know. For me, I don't think I like mint chocolate that much.
I love it.
But they have this flavor now too.
What?
This one's good. I like this one. So good. So bomb. And also, I feel like anything brown sugar cinnamon is the best. This one, good oatmeal.
We never make pancakes.
Cause too much work. I used to eat these a lot during high school as well.
We can just eat one a day.
Sounds horrible. But this one, I ate like 2-3 days or 2-3 of these during volleyball season, every single time we had a game.
It's boring after this.
Yeah.
Sorry. Sorry.
Hey.
Everyone's in my fucking way.
Get out of my way. Yeah, I thought you were dieting.
It's too hard.
Dang, 33 cents? Look at all this carbs. Dang, for people that have a hard time gaining weight, I'm jealous. Like anything that I eat, I feel like goes straight to my gut. And that's why I have to work out like every day just to balance everything out. And that's why I do so much cardio. I hate it, but I love it. Can't relate, guys. It's so easy I feel like for us to gain weight. Anything we eat literally goes straight to our face, our gut. But for some people, they literally just eat whatever and they just keep getting shredded, keep getting bigger. I don't know why. Super jealous, but you probably can't relate. Man, I'm jealous.
Bro, they're lying.
Huh.
Look at this. 23 fat, no, 23 protein, 19 fat. Right here, 23 fat, 24 protein.
So we don't know what to believe.
What's the truth?
I guess you have to eat it to find out.
Check the weight.
Does it feel right?
No, it doesn't feel dense like the Popeyes one. It feels like not enough chicken.
Dang, it sounds so good. What are you guys doing?
I think I want a chicken wing. Just one.
Just one? What is that? Is that fish stick?
I think it's
A fish
fillet.
Fish stick?
There's a cheese stick so there.
Fish stick then. Let's go. No. We gotta go. Yeah, it's scary. Let's just go get the real food. Oh, it smells so good.
Yeah, we'll still get Popeyes.
Okay. We'll just go get McDonald's. Okay.
I've been cut. Fuck everybody.
Everyone's in our way. We are at Seafood City now. Seafood City. And apparently Alex wants chicken empanadas. Empanadas. Let's go. Just one for each?
Buy 6 get 1?
No. Okay, we're buying some empanadas. Too dangerous. Ooh. Classic butter slice. So soft. Babe. Hey, look. Moist choco slice. Oh, banana. So many temptations, guys. But you gotta resist. If you have goals, you have to resist. But if you don't, be my guest. That's what I was trying to say. Be my guest. It's time to try.
Time to sample.
It's time to sample. Okay.
No, they're all different flavors.
One's pork.
I can eat like 6 of these in one day.
I can't. This is Alex. This is the MSG for Filipinos.
Maggie's?
Magic Sarap. Magic Sarap. It's so good. My mom, she puts it in egg, and it tastes so good.
Wow.
It's so bad. It's weird that they have it here, but they won't let it like through TSA. They actually like take it out.
Really?
Yeah. I don't know why.
I have a haircut at 10. So I woke up at 8:30 and 9.
But you fell asleep again,
I
huh?
told myself I'd get 10 more minutes, and I fell asleep.
That's what happened to Angel this morning.
I woke up at 10:30, and I was like, oh my god. And I texted my haircut guy, I was like, dude, I just woke up. I was like, can I still come? He was like, yeah, come through, no worries.
Oh, what a nice guy.
I literally just washed my hair and put on, and then just brushed my teeth and just left.
Damn.
Yeah, I'm like so tired now.
Yeah, we did sleep at 5. Getting too many dubs. Too many. Hey guys, if you guys play Clash, join our clan. I mean Clash Royale, not Clash of Clans. There's a difference. We're gonna go look for some coffee now. Oh, it smells fishy now. We're in the fish section. Hawaiian suns are so good. If you guys want some nice noodles, get this one right here. So good. Oh, this one, guys. And you guys know what this is? Sotanghon. Filipinos, come on. La Paz Bachoy. Yeah. But it's okay now and then. Oh. What do you have there?
My childhood.
I remember they would always only have the beef one at school.
Second?
But I remember during high school, every single lunch, I would get one of these beef ones for $1. And that was basically my lunch. And then I had volleyball practice afterwards. So no wonder I was so good. But like looking back now, I wish I ate more as a kid or during high school, because I always thought about being like, the lighter I weighed, the higher I could jump, because I played volleyball. But it got to the point where I was pushing myself way too hard, and like I felt like I wasn't progressing as much, like I wasn't jumping any higher. And I was literally just like, we were running lines every single day almost. And I wasn't giving my body enough fuel. So I was literally just like skinny and I had no muscle. So.
20 calories.
You want it?
Why don't you freaking focus? Oh, it's right there. I thought it was this for a second. Dairy free.
But yeah, I wish I ate more protein back then. I wish I knew more about nutrition and how important it is in like building muscle and just performing better, because I felt like it was gains that was lost.
Yeah.
Not a good time.
I lost 6 years worth of gains. That's 1 year.
In 1 year. My childhood. Thumbs up if you guys know. If you know, you know. Salamat po.
Ooh, that cheese bread was so good. That one you got.
Oh, the big one?
Pimento cheese.
Did you eat all of it?
Yeah, we could.
Let's go. Let's go eat some food. Eat some food. Oh, guys, it's so cold. It's so cold.
Pangit?
Pangit?
Pangit.
I don't speak Tagalog. I don't understand it at all. I speak a different dialect. I speak
Ilocano.
I don't know what it is. Bisaya, Ilocano.
Ay, okininan.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Sugao.
Sugao.
What does that mean?
It's a power supply gal. So she likes computers.
That's not Filipino? Sugao?
I don't know.
Angel, what's Sugao?
Sugal.
Sugao?
It sounds like a place.
What's Sugal?
Sugao.
It sounds familiar. Sounds something Filipino.
Sugao.
Sugal.
Oh,
Sugal.
Sugal. That
Yeah.
means gambling.
See?
Oh, are you Filipino?
Filipino?
Filipino? Can't relate.
I used to hang out with breakdancers in like town square, but I wouldn't breakdance.
So you're just like chilling with them?
But I would have like bad joints from kung fu and working out.
So
I
it's the
wear
same thing.
I wear this his armband from my elbow because I was always in pain. And then these breakdancers walked up to me. They're like, "Dude, you must be hella good, huh? Like, what you got the armband for? You breakdance? Show us what you got." I'm like, "Nah, I can't. Sorry, man." And
It hurts too much.
yeah, and they would just think I was good at breakdancing because I had that armband. Perfect.
Yes.
No, thank you. No worries.
Oh my god. What the heck? What a meanie. Ew, look at this guy. Wow. Rude. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I heard this place has over 3,200 reviews and it's 5 stars, and there's #1 rated healthy food in the entire United States. And there's only one in Vegas. So there's a huge line right now. Usually it's out the door around the building, so usually an hour wait. Right now we're looking at maybe 25-30 minutes. So it's not too bad today.
Alright guys, so we are at the Volcano Grill. Super good, healthy if you want to eat healthy or bad. You can't go wrong either way. You can't go wrong with Volcano Grill. So good. And the thing that's different about Volcano Grill, and you can't really compare it to other places just like this, because it's not like any other place. You can't compare it to Teriyaki Madness, you can't compare it to like Samurai Sam's, Panda, you can't compare it because the quality of their meat here is actually like comparable to those ones in hibachi grills and stuff like that. The ones where they actually cook in front of you. Their protein is high quality. You guys are gonna get quality no matter what if you come. So do not compare it to like Teriyaki Madness because you are paying for quality, and quality is what you will get. Guys, if you are interested in credit, and which you should be, credit is so important for anyone if you want to buy a house, buy a car, basically anything that involves a lot of money, right? Have credit, leverage it, build a business, do whatever you can. This guy knows his thing. So Credit Buddha on Instagram. If you guys are interested, send him a DM, tell him I sent you. Credit, guys. Video. Owner of VG. Hey, where's your uniform? Where's your uniform? Oh, my bad. So, I got steak, white rice, veggies. Oh, steak, white rice, veggies. Something simple, something easy. Salsa and Fuji yummy sauce. So good. About to feast, guys. We made it back to Alex's home gym. Okay, I mean, complex gym, whatever. We're gonna do a shoulder and arm day. It's gonna be a good time.
There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me. I long for the times you held me in your arms. Whoa.
You guys gotta warm up your shoulders before you do shoulders or any pressing movements, you feel?
There's not a single day that passes, not even 1 minute can end up.
Watch this. This is a hack on this.
There you go.
I wish that you were here to give me everything I want.
Keep it simple. Get a good pump. Too easy. See, look. Too easy. Too easy. So dead. Yes. 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 Alright, we just finished up with that workout. It was pretty good. We didn't get to do cardio because it started to get packed. There was like 3 other people that came in. So cardio was a no-go because we were like, when we do cardio together, we literally sit on our phones on a treadmill and just play Clash for an hour. And it literally goes by so fast. But we couldn't do that because we're hella loud when we play Clash. You start screaming and stuff. But we didn't eat that much today, so it's all good. We ate the empanadas, the chicken empanada, and we had like half of our Volcano Grill. So safe to say that we don't have to do cardio today. Too easy.
Too easy.
Yes.
Alright. Had to rest and play Clash.
Bro, this guy's annoying. F this game.
Damn.
Whatever, it is what it is.